How to lose weight fast: 10 pounds in a week with barley water. For many of us, losing weight is often a daily struggle. Sticking to a healthy diet and getting enough exercise is often easier said than done. But achieving your weight loss goals is much simpler when you enjoy the process. Fortunately, there are several different drinks that help you stay on track, plus they also taste delicious. Have you ever thought of using barley water to lose weight? Well, maybe you should. This healthy beverage contains nutrients and compounds that help accelerate your weight loss goal, while satisfying your cravings. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. Barley is a fiber-rich grain that is baked as breads or served as a rice substitute. It falls under the same category as whole wheat, oats, and whole grains when it comes to weight loss. Apart from a great weight loss ingredient, barley water also helps in reducing cholesterol level in the body, control blood sugar level, improves digestion, boosts the immune system, cleanses the kidneys and keeps them functioning smoothly, also reduce risk of cancer. Barley water is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Folate, iron, copper, and manganese are all found in large amounts in barley water. The antioxidants in barley water enable healthy cell growth on your organs, while getting rid of the free radicals that cause oxidative stress. How to make barley water for losing weight faster? It is best to prepare your own barley water at home instead of buying from shop, to avoid sugar and artificial preservatives. Take 1 kilogram of barley pearls, and add 3 volumes of water to 1 volume of barley. Boil until they turn soft. Now strain and collect the extract. Let it be cool. Take 1 glass of the extract and refrigerate the rest for next time. Add half of an orange or lemon juice, ½ inch of grated ginger, 2 chopped mint leaves, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Now stir well and drink. To faster your weight loss goal, drink 2 glasses of barley water a day. Try it, and share your experience with us.